welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm doing a thumbs up already, but it's Rachel Reviews. I'm tan. I'm back from Jamaica. Here's my tan. Here we go. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and I am all stuffed up. The week we got back, everyone started mowing their grass, and the trees started budding, so I'm all stuffed up from my allergies. Hooray! Anyway, we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Let's get to it. We're gonna open up the box with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Jamaica was awesome. It was really relaxing. We did a couple excursions. We went ziplining. We went on a catamaran to Rick's Cafe, and Dusty, my husband, jumped off a 35-foot jump at Rick's Cafe into the water. I'm gonna put a video together. That's my goal today, is to I didn't take a lot of footage while I was there because I was just trying to relax, you know, but I did take pictures, so I'm gonna put pictures and some video clips and stuff together, and I'll put a video up in the next few weeks, I would imagine. My ears are so plugged right now from my allergies, everything just feels like it's echoing in my head, so that's cool too. Alright, Stitch Fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you want to, there's a link below to get $25 towards your first box. I really like it, as you know. I really like it. I forgot to turn the music off in the outside part. Hang on. I was listening to Spotify when I was getting ready, so I forgot to turn that off. In our bathroom, we have a Bluetooth speaker, fan combo light thing, and my phone hooks up to that, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, here's our note. Hey Rachel, happy Fix Day. Caitlin here again, and it was my pleasure to style your fix today. Can you believe spring is already here? Thank goodness. I hope you're ready for the rising temperatures and excited to get outside to get some sun. I'm sending some amazing staples that you can transition easily into warmer weather. My hair is bugging me. When is my hair not bugging me? I hope I'm stuffed up. Beg your pardon. I hope this fix helps you find some great must-haves and brightens your day. As your stylist, my job is to help you try new things, and I think you'll just love these wide-leg pants. Maybe I will. They'll look super cool with the black sandals and lime green sweater. Oh yeah, belted shorts are a closet. I forgot what I picked. I picked all this stuff before Jamaica. Belted shorts are a closet staple because you can wear them day and night and dress them up or down. You can style them with anything from a t-shirt to a dressy blouse. I am looking forward to hearing how everything goes. I hope you had a blast in Jamaica. XO, Caitlin. Thanks, Caitlin. I did. And then they send your price sheet, which we'll go over at the end. Here we go. Oh yeah, they send you your mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. And I'm out of practice with this. I haven't done an unboxing in 3 weeks. I tried to schedule all my things for when I was gone to post, so looks like everything went well. Let's see. Send some shoes. These are super cute. Those are really cute. I like them. What's the name? Mark and Spruce Terra double band slingback sandal in black, size 7. I really like those. I like it's got tan and white and black, so they'll go with everything. Those are probably going to be a keeper, I'm not going to lie. I just put them on my feet and they're really comfy. And I didn't have to undo the strap, the buckle strap, so that's good. Here's our little bundle! Look at her! Polka dot kind of look, lime green, got some burgundy, some floral. It's pretty. If there's weird pauses in the video, it's because I had to stop filming to cough, so. Allergies! Alright, first up, second up, we have the 151 Marjorie printed wide leg pant in black, size XL. They're stretchy, they're flowy. I do like pants like this in the summer and spring because they're super thin and lightweight. So those are cute. They're a little wrinkly, but they were in a box. So you can't judge them too much, just enough. Next we have the Mark & Spruce Elaine pocket short sleeve tee in dark pink, size large. So it's kind of like a mauve-y burgundy. It's coming out more red on camera, but it's not in real life. So that's kind of cute with the flowers and the pocket. You know, I sound awesome. And next we have the Pink Clover Janet's short sleeve sweater in light green size large. Look, I thought it was just kind of cute. I think 4 of these things I picked from the Fix preview, and it has these like knit stripes going through it. I thought it was summery. Gosh, my voice. I have another video to do today too. Full disclosure. Here we go. Alright, I think it's a D & Co box. These are so cute. Alright, Mason & Bell. Tilda belted ruffle waist utility shorts in yellow size XL. Look how cute those are. They have pockets in the back, pockets in the front. They have a bow. They have a ruffle. They're yellow. I love them. Alright, blurry. Let's try everything on. I love these shorts. I love them. I love them. They're so cute. I put on this just like neutral t-shirt with it. Here's the length. They're just long enough so that I don't think I'll chafe too much. I love the pockets. It does actually have a button and a zipper. I thought it was just like a stretchy like pull-on, but it is an elastic waist too. So these are like the perfect shorts. If they have them in other colors, I want them. They're super cute. And then let's pan down real time to my dirty floor, to the shoes. The shoes are really, really cute. I love them as well. I like I said, how they have the black and the brown and the white. So I think they'll just go with everything. Super cute. We're 2 for 2 so far. Let's try on the other things. Here's the lime green top and the pants. The pants are really thin and nice. I do kind of have a pair just like it that I wore in Jamaica. Not just like it. They're, I don't know. It's similar. But I would have to have my mom hem these if I kept them because I'm short and it just doesn't always work. Long pants like that. See? They just drag, which, you know, PTSD from high school. Here's a side view. It has this cute little tassel on it, which is green, gold hardware kind of thing. But this doesn't do anything to make it tighter. It's just all in the elastic. I don't hate them. I'm not sure. The green top's cute. I like the green top. I think it'd be nice for work. Wish I liked these pants more. I mean, I like them fine. I would just have to get them hemmed, is the thing. Here's the back. Yeah, I don't know. But I like the green top, and it does look cute with the pants, so. Alright. Oh, there's a squirrel outside. Let me go find some other shorts to put on with this top. I wanted to see this green top on with some regular bottoms, so I think it's pretty cute. I don't think I'm gonna get those pants though, so I don't know. I don't want to get a 4 out of 5 at that point. Well, I haven't even tried this on yet, so we'll see. But even like, I wish they gave a discount for like if you like 3 out of 5 things or something. Ugh. Okay, let's try on the other top. Here's the last top. It's kind of like 4th of July-ish, I feel like. It's nice material. It's not too thin. I think it feels real nice. It's coming off more red in the camera, but it is like kind of like that dark mauve pink, like I said before. Let's tuck it in, because that's how I wear everything nowadays. And we're tucking. So yeah, there we go. Cute. I think it's cute. I wouldn't wear this top to work because of the pocket. I feel like pockets make things more casual. So I'd really only wear it on the weekend. It's cute. It is cute. I don't know. I don't have anything this color really in my closet. But then that's 4 out of 5 things. So at that point, I should just keep all 5 things. Let's do math. Let's do Stitch Fix math. Here we go. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Market and Spruce, Elaine, pocket short sleeve, top in dark pink, $30, size large. I think I could probably find something similar to like Kohl's or somewhere, so I don't think I'm going to do it. The Market and Spruce Terra double band slingback sandals in black, size 7, $49. I really like them. I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of them, so we're going to keep those. The Tilda belted ruffle waist utility shorts in yellow, size XL, $39. I really liked those too. The Pink Clover Janice short sleeve sweater in light green, $42. I did like this. I don't know if I loved it, but I liked it. I think I'm going to say no for now. That was $42. I already say that? I don't know. 151 Marjorie printed wide leg pant in black, size XL, $38. So the whole box is $198. If you buy everything in it, it takes off 25%, so $49.50. So the whole box would be $148.50. That is a great price box from Stitch Fix. Like, really good. And I do have credit right now. Which also, like, makes me think, do I just keep everything and like try to sell the pants on Poshmark or something? Maybe. I liked the other two. I liked these other 2 tops as well. So, because if I just keep the sandals, which are $49, and the shorts, which are $39, that's $88. So for $50 more, I would get these 3 things. Is it worth it? I don't know. I just cleaned out my closet the other day. Put away my sweaters for the winter and like I'm bringing out my summer things. So I'm really trying to keep just things that I really love. And I love these and I love the sandals. So I think I'm just going to keep these. Save my money. Save my credit for another box. Or for the shop. So, okay. Decision made. Sandals, yellow shorts. We did it. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for my Jamaica video. Like I said, I didn't take tons of footage because I was just trying to be in the moment. We sat at the beach, we read, we had drinks, the dinners were awesome. Everything was really good. But I will try to like splice together my pictures and my videos from the trip. So keep an eye out for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.